Hello everybody, Big Will. I'm in the shop, and for some reason I'm working on one of my customers' second cars, which is a Lexus LS 460, and this is one of the codes that we're getting, the P0205, injector circuit open cylinder 5. We were getting multiple injector codes, but this is the main one. What I want to give you info about on this code is that with this system, unlike the BMWs I normally work on, there are two sets of injectors, your regular injectors and the direct injectors. This code does not specify which injector it's talking about, and you can view and change the regular injectors here without ever getting a look at the direct injectors, which you'll have to take off the intake, lower, cover, and breather, pretty much everything. Deal with this harness, which is a complete just headache. You can have about 40 different clips just to get about 5 inches worth of clearance, and you still got to use 2 people to get the intake out. What we found here is that there was excessive foreign material and everything in here that possibly caused a burnout or short, and we lost 2 connectors here, one to the knock sensor here, and one to our number 5 direct inject fuel injector. You see, got those burnout, got to rewire the whole thing. But yes, if you get that code, it's possible that you are dealing with the top injectors, but I would go ahead and remove the intake and get a visual inspection of the direct injectors to make sure there's no damage to the harness or connectors. As you'll see here, this is the connector for the knock sensor. Burnt completely out. Gonna have to get the connector and rewire it in. The connector for the injector itself was burnt out, brittle and crumbling, with the wires burnt out as well. So that's my tip for you. You're dealing with these Lexus, which I don't normally deal with, and you get this code, go ahead and take everything off and inspect your direct injectors, harness and wiring connectors. Now, while you're in there, I will go ahead and suggest, since it's such a job, to go ahead and replace all of the knock sensors. And I'll give you there knock sensor. You can see that it's the OEM knock sensors. You get a set of 4 pretty cheap. I go ahead and change all of those, and go ahead and change your injectors. If they're old and looking like this, burnout, they might be working fine. But while you're in there, go ahead and save yourself some trouble. You can get a good set for maybe $100 or less. Go ahead and swap those out, so you're not wasting your time and your money, and you're solving your problem completely. I'd hate for you to do an injector job, pay for that, and then still have your codes running and everything when you go back and do follow-up. All right, that's your tip from Big Will. Thanks for tuning in. Talk to you guys later.